we are back. New week. It's summer. Sun is shining. We have got. Well, we're starting a new kitchen this week. My phone's ringing. Right, what we got? A load of boxes to open. What's the plan looking like? Ooh. So there's like a navy blue with a marbly effect worktop. Right, so first things first, we're going to open up all the boxes, make sure nothing's damaged, pull all the legs on, and then I guess put some of the units in place and see how it's all fitting. Right, so yeah, open all the boxes, put all the units in place. So this side, we've got a boiler behind there, so we're going to be cutting this unit out. The shot's going to be in the way, as you can see, but we'll cut down and get that fitted over the boiler. You've got another unit here, then you've got another sort of towel sort of drawer that's going to go next to that. There we've got a 1,000 wide sink unit. I'm pretty sure next to that they've got their washing machine in it.
There's a washing machine right there. Next to the boiler.
What is it? Towards that. Is that just 1,000 like that?
No, there should be something there.
Number 10.
Might be dishwasher or something like that. What's up there?
Oh yeah, 1,000 still there. Okay, we'll check that. Couple more units across there. We got some more units. And I think they're going to be put in a fridge there, I'm not too sure. Then the other side, we've got more units. Then we've got a bin, tool unit. There is a bit of worktop going across here as well, so we'll get more worktop space. So now everything's open, everything seems alright, damaged, so we're going to get them in place. I'm sweating, it's hot. So we are doing the plumbing. With this one I can see my unit's going to be finishing here between these two. So I want to bring this 2 copper pipes hot and cold feed onto the right side a little bit, just so it's not right on the edge. So I'm going to cut these back, put a couple valves there to isolate them, and then we'll bring them through here. We've got an outdoor tap here as well, so we need to connect that up. And we have got a dishwashers going on the left. So let's do that. Hopefully the water's off. We're going to find out. Plumbing's done. We've got a hot, we've got a cold feed. I'm going to put the unit now and bring these pipes, these 3 into the unit, and then I need to do a T with the cold feed for the dishwasher. But yeah, until we get the unit in, we're not going to do that. But these are all ready to go. It's all been tested, all nice and dry. So I'm going to clean up a little bit and then get that unit cut and get it all fitted. Let's do it. Right, so Mark's currently working on this unit. He's doing the end panels for both sides. I know, end panel, then I think it's got a pillar on this side. These are all fixed in place with the fixings, so very good things to use those, so it makes things a lot easier for us when we fit them into the wall. And then so far this is where I'm at. So my plumbing's done. So then we've got this unit here. I'm going to bore out some holes for the pipework to come through and get that one fitted. And after that we can get those to, they are level now, but get them screwed to the wall. They've all been pre-drilled and everything, so it's going right. It's not going too bad for the first morning. That is colour. Tell you what, it's well hot today. Summer's finally here. I don't know what it's supposed to be this week. So we are 27 degrees.
key card for the door.
Brilliant. I like this colour. This colour's nice.
Yeah, I like it. I like the wood grain as well.
Yeah, so these ratings all fitted. I've currently just marked this out, and you can barely see it in pencil. That's going to be the hub. These ones are all in as well. There's Mark. Right, just cutting out for the sink. Once you get that fitted, I'm going to join the worktops. Yeah, what's we're doing. I've just putting together these two wall units. That's the only two we've got going on the wall. Which, looking at this, we've got double door on that side and we've got single door on that side. And then with the extractor in the middle. Like that. $32 degrees in here. It's going to be hot. Right, I'm up for the hop. So, we're using a straight edge and we're using the track saw and cut this piece out there. We've got the cut saw, we've got the vacuum as well, so we suck up all the dust. Suck it up. Right, heat reflective tape's on. I'll be honest, it's a bit of a pain to put that on because it breaks so easy, but we put the sink in. We clamped it in. So we're ready for that piece. I'll be honest, this heat reflective tape, it kind of stuck onto the unit. So I'll have to cut it with a knife. I didn't think, we haven't connected it, like joined up yet.
Lift that worktop in anyway.
Yeah, okay. Well, I guess better now. So, worktops are in on this side. Sinks in. We're ready to connect up. We just need to make up the waste. Cut up the lobstone, so I'm going to be, I've marked out already a little cross here. So we're going to do the extractor first and we'll do the units on each side. Okay, extractor fans up. We're putting up 800 units that side. Probably 600, I think. On the right side. Just kidding. outside the church window. Cut out. Or from this side.
Yeah.
Oh, he's putting a pea head for the hole. Not quite fit, big head. That is the cutout for that.
Oh, you idiot. I was thinking what keeps hitting. Look at that around the pipe in there.
One more time. So we are back on day 3. As you can see from yesterday, well, that unit's now in and it's in place. It's really cleared in. So we're prepping the walls now for the, we're going to be doing some tiling. And if I get this right, I think they're called Carrara Metro tiles, which are those, which will match up the worktop. Sarah's just prepping the walls so we can get those on the go. So I'm going to start with that one, and then it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but we'll be doing where that line is, going to be doing that wall, and on this side still deciding, but we want to do this part as well, but we don't know about doing the windowsill yet. And saying that it's the best by window board or tile it.